Do you recall, after World War I, all the uncertainty in the economy? In 1924, Europe's prosperity relied on US banks loaning to Germany, because other European nations couldn't recover without German reparations. But those US loans didn't last too long. They were all withdrawn because in the flash, the stock market crashed. In 1929, history's greatest fiscal decline. 'Cause baby, they were out of work. Money didn't have no worth. Made them go, oh, oh, no. When the wages were so low, low, low. Baby, they were out of work. International relations were hurt, especially in US, Great Britain, and Germany. France somehow stayed afloat when it had just begun, but depression hit them too. In 1931, the only place that could avoid that awful fate was Scandinavia, a social welfare state. Elsewhere, governments had lost the people's trust when deflationary policy was a bust. In Marxist doctrine, interest was renewed. In communism too, no one knew what to do, no clue. Couldn't afford food. Everywhere you turned was doubt, and there seemed to be no way out. 'Cause baby, they were out of work. Money didn't have no worth. Made them go, oh, oh, no. When the wages were so low, low, low. Yeah, baby, they were out of work. The Great Depression did its worst. Couldn't very well pay bills when you're living in a Hooverville. Boom, boom, boom. Went the bombs of World War II. That's how the economy grew. Created jobs out of the blue. Before that, they were out of work, and money didn't have no worth. Made them go, oh, oh, no. When the wages were so low, low, low.